Right guys, it's Blackmore Vale RC. The Impreza is finished. So the Carson Ford Focus is now a Subaru Impreza WRC. Here we go. Look at that colour. Gold wheels, no gold tyres. Perfect sticker. This car is stunning. Right. Around the back. Stall. Yeah, temperature's about right. Right guys, I'm just about to finish tuning it. Yesterday the priming bulb was leaking like a pig. I just couldn't get it to run properly, so put a new one on, a different one, and seems to be okay at the moment. Alright. It's got a red bit of vinyl, the paint peeled off there, look on the light. Cut a red piece of vinyl for that. Yeah. This car is amazing. I'm so pleased with it. Right, that is it. That's the end of the series. This goes back to its owner, and hopefully they'll look after it. It's fantastic. Back come out absolutely perfect. Thanks guys.